Hello and welcome to our webinar today, which is all about compliance, evidencing and a quality approach for New Zealand disability services. And it's great to see so many of you joining us today. So today we'll be covering how iplanit can be configured to capture critical compliance data and evidence outcomes, how a rich data is essential for best practice service user outcomes and quality of service. Also, the importance of using systems when identifying, managing and analysing risks, and how to best meet organisational data needs. So just a little bit of background about our company, Aspirico. Aspirico was founded in 2006 by our CEO, Declan Kelly. And of course, iplanit has been used across many different types of organisations across all of the countries where we provide our product for. And so it has been proven across all sector types as very successful. And we have done over 135 plus implementations of our software to date. And of course, we are very proud of our software. We have actually won over 10 international awards, and these are mainly for the uniqueness of our software, how it puts the client in the centre of everything we do, and it's very innovative in that way. And we always are looking to innovate iplanit. We have recently introduced our new version 6 of iplanit that has a wonderful new modern look and feel, and a lot of enhancements around mobile working and so on. And we have a number of new releases coming out over the next 12 months, and we're really looking forward to those and sharing them with our customers. And of course, iplanit has always been a very values-driven organisation, and our values we call AVITA, which stands for evidencing value, inclusion, transparency and accountability. And I'm sure that these values probably mean a lot to you as well. And it's easy to rattle off, what your values are. But when we think about evidencing value, how do we demonstrate that we really are delivering a very high quality service? And when you think about inclusion, how do we go about including the people that we're supported and their wider circle of support, their family, and provide, a more person-centered service? And transparency, how do we ensure that our staff are always on top of what needs to be done, managing risk and progressing those outcomes? And accountability, how do we go about creating a culture amongst our staff of accountability, which are based on a person's needs, goals, aspirations, wishes, and so on? The great thing about iplanit is that it answers all of these questions for you and allows you to be able to deliver all of these wonderful things. So for providers, iplanit really helps to provide very easy, very clear support plans that will really help you to keep those goals and outcomes alive for your clients that you're supporting. It's also fabulous for managing risk. And of course, iplanit is cloud-based, so all of your data is live and in real time. And it also provides you with greater overall enhanced quality and compliance oversight. And one of the fabulous things about iplanit is that your data can be linked to where you really want it to go. So, for example, you can link important data to your clients or wherever it's needed. You can link your data to the Ministry of Health outcomes and enabling good lives outcomes. And this will assist you with reporting for best practice standards. And all of this is more than just, forms on a screen. It really does actually give you the ability to really capture data that is really going to drive change for your organisation. And iPlanet will also give you greatly improved transparency and accountability. It's fantastic for coordinating your staff activities, brilliant for all of those daily notes, record keeping and handover logs. And it also will give you improved internal communication. We do have an internal messaging system on iPlanet, so management and staff can all keep in contact with each other, as well as being able to keep in contact with the clients that you're supporting and their wider circle of support. And also, one of the unique things with iPlanet is that it does give you great levels of configurability, and it is able to be personalised to suit your own organisation needs. For the people that you're supporting, iPlanet's unique architecture does put the client in the centre of everything. And there's lots of positives in this for the people that you're supporting. It really does improve empowerment and gives them ownership and control over what they're wanting to achieve. And of course, we do actually have the iPlanet client and family portal, which comes as standard with any iPlanet implementation. And this will allow your clients to have a login area where you can share with them, how they're going with their goals and outcomes. You can share their plans and so on. And if they're following along with these things, you'll find that they're more inclined to be motivated to achieve those outcomes. And also, it really does build inclusion for your clients and their greater circle of support. So on the screen here, you can see our iPlanet modules, and in the center, in the blue area here, you can see our 10 core modules, and these modules have been designed really to suit any type of organisation, no matter what. It gives you all of the basics. And some great areas here that you can see. And like I said before, they're more than just forms on paper. It's a very rich data set, which actually gives you the ability to do so much with. And as well as our 10 core modules, we also have our 10 optional modules, which you can see in red around the outside. And we've developed these modules after listening to our customers and what their needs are over the years. Sometimes one size doesn't fit all. So many of our customers see iPlanet and see these optional modules as their future software roadmap. So when a new customer comes on, they can choose from these modules which ones they would like to add to their system. Might not need all of them straight away, but it's very flexible. So these modules can be added on as you grow and as the need allows. And obviously, what we were showing to you today is really only part of what iPlanet can do. So if you'd like more information, please get in contact with me. See my contact details there on the screen. Or if you'd like a more personalised demonstration for you and perhaps your team, get in contact. Love to meet with you and show you how it all works and how it can be configured and work for your organisation.